Yo guys, what's up? Welcome back. Before we get into today's video, a huge shout out to today's sponsor, Wing Aero. If you want your bike to stand out and look unique, Wing Aero makes lovely winglets for your motorcycle to make it look aggressive and different. So if you want to upgrade your bike or make it look even better, use my code IDLE20 at checkout for 20% off. Now, big thanks to Wing Aero for sponsoring today's video. Let's get into it. And today, I can't lie, I'm running some new settings on the camera, so we're gonna see if it works, I guess. If you're wondering what I've changed, I've gone from 30 FPS to 50, and I've changed my shutter speed to 1 to 100 now, and I've changed the color settings to normal instead of D-Log, because the color grading is really not working well for me. I don't know why. It makes the camera look really flat, and then as soon as I add a filter to it, it just don't go well. Make sure there's no police there. Oh. Come on then, boss man, what you up to? I'm waiting behind you, buddy. Not a chance. Oh, am I low on fuel? God damn, I love this bike. Try to pop one off the line. I think my chain's getting a bit loose. We'll be fine. It'll be fine. Yeah, I can't lie, this will be the first video in quite a bit that I haven't ridden with someone. So, at least I won't have to do any plate blurring, I guess, you know. Don't worry, bro, I won't hit you. Allow it. Allow it. I won't hit you like that. I'm not a bad rider. I've been riding for time, you get me? Maybe we should go to the airport, I can't lie. Oh my days, bruv, you stinky rat. How? What are you waiting for, bruv? Now we're stuck behind a bin juice smelling truck. Okay, in theory, if all goes well here, we should be able to properly full send this bike, I can't lie. Hey, she down here. Thank you, matey. Third gear. Fourth. Fifth. And just to make sure you guys don't think I'm bluffing, oh wait. There's 6th gear for you. Getting her proper down now, I tell ya. Sorry. I accidentally set the alarm off on the bike. Anyway guys, I'll get back to you when I get back on the bike. See ya. Yo guys, what's up? I got out of the airport. Police everywhere, I can't lie. I'm just going to go to the industrial estate and see if I can find anywhere to get some videos. Now maybe if we're lucky we'll get a nice run here onto this dual carriageway and see what the bike can do. Oh my god, why is it every time I say something like that, they just pop up from around the corner? Oh yeah, yes, a trade plate. Let's do that. I'm checking my mirror to make sure they don't turn around on me, because I think they are. But I ain't trying to find out. Oh, we got Grandad Zoomy on the mobility, innit? Meow. She got caught lacking by the traffic lights. I got to 80. What? What the hell is that? What in the cracker Joe is that? What the hell?